If you want to make the stereo group party for JBL speakers, first of all, of your JBL Charge 6, you have to be connected with your phone and the JBL Portable application. Now, you will have to start playing some music. So I will try, for example, with this one. If it is not gonna work, let's refresh. There we go. I'm gonna volume down, and right now all you have to do is just to turn on the second speaker by clicking on the power key, and now you will have to click on the Auracast button on your Charge 6, but also on your second speaker. Now after a few seconds they should be connected automatically. Let's find out. Yeah, the sound actually comes from the second speaker, so that's actually quite simple. And if you find it useful, please hit the like button.